totally wrong, but I'm almost wondering if we're in like a psychiatric hospital. Because the circle chairs looks like we have in like group therapy. Ooh. Oh boy.
Nope.
Pennywise can keep his ass in the sewer, okay? Her eyes.
Sick. Paired with like the gray highlight. Wicked.
Love the switch up.
I love this.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Oh, here we are.
Wow.
They lost the battle.
They lost the battle.
I really like the woman power message that's coming through too.
Oh yeah. I love the styling.
You know what? Who the hell are you?
Welcome back to K-CordGirls.
So your father's a burner.
Calm his damn teddy. Am I just stupid? No?
We're crying and laughing. There's a lot going on, my bro.
A day.
God, he's sick. My Trey has never wanted to be a guitar so bad. I'm done. No way. I'm so done. Hi, hello, hey, welcome back to K-CordGirls. Welcome if you're new here. I'm Mer.
I'm Bree.
And today we have a huge girl group binge that we're going to do. We're going to do Nature's Girls MV. We're going to do their uncensored MV. So I don't know what that means, so prepare yourself.
Right.
And then we're going to do bugAboo'z Bugaboo. And then Pink Fantasy's Tales of the Unusual, the zombie version. BADVILLAIN's Hurricane, Dreamcatcher's BOCA performance?
Dance video, K-zombie version.
Okay. And then we're going to do PurpleKiss's On My Bike, but at the time of recording this, it is not out yet, so we are going to have a wardrobe change. So when you see a scene flip, it's a different day.
Yes.
So.
Yeah. So we're just going to tack that one in here, because I thought it was supposed to come out today, but I must have had my days mixed up. But whatever, we'll make it work. I'm excited. We've had a soloist Halloween binge, a boy group Halloween binge, and now we're having our girl group Halloween binge. And some of these are strong Halloween vibes. Some maybe not as much. I don't know. We'll see. But I know the first one, Nature, is like... That one's on like every single Halloween K-pop playlist ever, or compilation video. But I know it, like, a lot of people have been like, it's a lot. Like, some people are like, it legit is disturbing.
Okay.
So
prepare yourself. That's the uncensored one. So
yeah. Prepare yourself.
Or skip ahead. Something. If you don't think you can handle it, skip ahead.
We'll have timestamps, so.
Yeah.
But
timestamps without judgment.
Exactly. I'm curious to see what's up with that one. So yeah, before we get into this, if you guys like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and what else, Mer?
Hit that bell.
Also, reach out to us on our socials, come chat, hang out, talk with us in Discord, and you can check out our exclusive reactions on Patreon. We're also live streaming on Twitch Fridays through Sundays. We are watching Road to Kingdom, Ace of Ace, Meteor Garden, and Through the Darkness. And we're going to start off with Nature's Girls. Uncensored. We have subs. Do we need subs? Auto-generated. Never mind. See how this goes. Oh. Oh, wow. Well, I can definitely see where the spooky and creepy comes from.
Right?
Ooh. Where's his vocals? Ooh. Ooh. I like that switch up.
Right.
Those bathtubs, goodness gracious. I'm just saying, I could be completely wrong, but I'm almost wondering if we're in like a psychiatric hospital. Because the circle chairs looks like we have in like group therapy. Ooh! There's like the white nightgowns too was giving me that. And each door is like a room into their heads or their issues. Ooh. Oh, I like that.
It's like the ghost references and stuff too. I'm almost wondering if it's like a haunted psychiatric hospital. Like an old one.
Yeah. See, even though that hallway gives me more hotel vibes, the outfits and like especially like the circle chair section, it gives me more like psychiatric hospital.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. Why? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, that. Well, I can see why this goes on Spooky Month.
Yeah. I really didn't think it was that bad, though.
I didn't either. I think I'm wondering if the uncensored part is more or less for the...
Like, the end got dark. Not as dark as I thought for people going, it's really disturbing, but I've seen disturbinger.
I mean, now that I think about it too, there wasn't even like, you know how like, okay, when we did last week's boy group Binge, there was a video that had like a content warning.
Yeah.
Like we didn't really have a content warning at the beginning of this either.
No.
Now that I think about it. But I mean, I guess I could see though, there's a lot of blood or blood-esque type scenes. So maybe that's why. There's also a lot of close call moments where something's flying at somebody, but they cut the scene at like just the right moment. Like there was like a needle flying at an eye or someone dropping scissors onto someone's face, but the scene cut.
Right.
So, yeah. I love the sound though. The sound was really interesting. It had a haunting sound to it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I really enjoyed, there was like some group vocal sections in there that sounded really nice. But
right.
Yeah, this was something, that's for sure though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I was like, okay, all these doors and stuff, I was like, are we getting a look into each of their heads? Because it was like each person had their own scene or their own room. And sometimes someone would join them there, but that was their space. Right. So that's why like with the group therapy, like maybe if they sat down to group therapy, that was that person coming into their head or their space. And yeah. That's what I was getting from it, even though the hallway looked like a straight up hotel. It was cool though.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have Bugaboo's Bugaboo. This one might be the brightest one just from the thumbnail that's on the Binge. Why are we bringing weapons? That's why. Okay.
아무도 날 못 막아 마치 건 꿈속 같은 밤 tonight 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 oh yeah 또 다른 세상을 봐나 나를 찾아 따라왔을까 alright 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 나는 대로 끌리는 대로 모든 거 바꿔봐 play the show oh yeah oh yeah oh yeah 더 이상은 너를
Okay, that's kind of creepy. Just swinging by itself.
I'm about to go. 네 맘대로 될 테지. Sing it loud. 네 멋대로 할 테니. 다 따라와. 두근대는 맘이.
I'm curious. We have like knee pads, and I'm like, is that a fashion choice, or are we legit trying to protect these girls' legs? So we fighting ghosts. That's why we have the weapons. But we're shooting them with water guns and bubble guns. I don't... Maybe ghosts have a weakness I don't know about.
Anything supernatural you want to salt gun.
Yeah. Salt water?
Salt. Well, this could be salt water, yeah. Or holy water.
Yeah, because one of them had a water gun. Oh. Ooh.
He's a ghost.
Oh boy.
Nope.
Pennywise can keep his ass in the sewer, okay? I really like that dark section a lot. I mean, the rest of the song has a nice beat, but that dark section, that was an interesting change up. Oh my god.
Oh, they're Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters. I mean, interesting Ghostbuster weapons, but sure. Really like that dark section, though. I think it's interesting the way, like, I don't know what the reference was with the ghost on the swing or the girl in the mirror. I mean, obviously they were creepy, you know, but like
gold in the mirror. Girl in the mirror was Bloody Mary. Maybe.
Oh, that would be a good one. But I mean, obviously we got the it reference, which is why I think it's interesting that it had that, and then we went to like a drive-in theater. I was like, are we trying to say that ghosts are coming out of the movies or monsters coming out of the movies? Like,
could be. I did not appreciate the it reference.
At least it was just the raincoat and wasn't
true.
It could have been worse. Could have been actual Pennywise.
Let's not do that.
Well, I don't know. Maybe we should. After the week we've had, maybe we should have brought out Pennywise. I'm just saying. Who brought out
That
my
I'm
biggest
sorry.
monster
That
fear?
movie bothers me even to this day on a psychological level. I wake up with night terrors. If I watch it, my husband made me watch it as an adult, and I was like, I'm an adult now. It's fine. Nope. Night terrors.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Same. I still can't watch Chucky, okay?
I didn't make you watch Chucky. I made you watch an MV that might have featured a doll that looked very similar, but it wasn't him.
That looked very similar to, the kid from It. Just,
It did.
yeah.
At least it wasn't Pennywise.
At least it wasn't Pennywise. Now we have Tales of the Unusual Pink Fantasy Zombie version. I saw a small glimpse of the makeup, and this is gonna be like cute zombie, which I wouldn't expect that from
like
Pink Fantasy anyways, but
grotesque zombie, right?
this is some freaky looking stuff, which I'm totally here for. I think that's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, we did zombie. We dressed up as zombies last year, and I went, wasn't overly grotesque, but I went more grotesque than cute zombie.
I went cute because it was easy.
Oh, see, I thought grotesque would be easier than cute. That's why I went with grotesque.
Makes sense.
Ish.
Yep. Ooh, the laugh.
I love the makeup so far.
Oh, yeah.
It's fantastic. Oh! Did you see that move off to the side? That was cool.
Yeah, it's freaking creepy. That
was cool.
It's cool and creepy all at the same time. These contacts too, my goodness. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Wanna go back, you can go back. 깨어있길 원해, 절대 안 돼. 나는
Her eyes.
Paired with the gray highlight.
Mm-hmm.
Wicked.
It's like her eyes are more snake-like.
Go back, you can go back. 깨어있길 원해, 절대 안 돼. 나는 반전을 원하지만 끝은 뻔해.
Yeah, the styling for this is insane. Ooh. Also, their synchronicity is insane. But
They had a Pan reference. You know the movie Pan? There's like that monster that like
I haven't seen it, but I've heard of it.
Yeah, okay. Well, have you seen at least the commercials or snippets with like a monster that they did that where it sees like with its eyes? Yeah, obviously. Everything is eyes. Hands.
Yeah. Also, I just have to say, I love all the different elements they have in this song. Because we've had like some creepy laughing, we've had some like creepy voices. And then right now, this part is very soft and childlike, which in itself is very creepy within this atmosphere. It's like whenever you watch a scary movie, the second you hear little children singing, it's like, oh, hell no, things are about to go down.
Right.
And you can even hear whispering in the background here, too. The choreo is really insane. The way they move in a very unnatural kind of way. Ooh. Well then. That was
Yup.
a lot of creepy stuff going on.
Definitely.
These girls need a horror movie.
I agree.
Because like even the way they moved in those very jerky like movements yet sharp, it was really like unnatural.
Yeah.
Unnatural movements freak me out.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too. Yeah. A lot. A lot.
Oh, yeah.
There's like, I don't even know if it's a horror movie, but there's a movie that I didn't think was a horror movie, and I watched it, and it had some very unnatural movements when things was going down in it. And I mean, freaked me out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Those get me the most.
Yep.
Which they nailed, so.
Yeah.
Now we have Bad Villain's Hurricane. I don't know how Halloween this is. I've seen some people say it could possibly work. I don't know, but we're gonna add it on anyways. Let's see what happens. Either way, I think we'll enjoy it because we've only checked out their debut so far, but that one was a banger. So. Ooh.
말보단 행동 jet팩을 메고 I take off 내 팬의 애교쟁이 rappers 잔챙이들을 쓸어버린 echo crown taker coming out the underground savior 가들리다 너와 나의 정체성 가출이 너를 긴 돌아버리겠어 빙글빙글해 smile waking up raw 뒤에서 날아가 아무나 wow 머리부리 밟아 stomping 둔해지는 감각을 toping 원하면 더 어때서 너를 다 보이지 you think I'm stupid
And we got insane hard flows here.
My flag wave like ocean My plans 전망이 sunshine My bacup쟁이 녀석들은 못 올라와 우리 상상 I'm crazier than crazy one You know that I'm different like alien 무대는 나타나면 난리여서 적당히 나다운 게 내일이야 Talking all the beats who you are 닿기 전에 귀에 추월하지 like 버티기 내 머리 dynamite Up and I'm a 다리지는 drop I'm on the screen, on the scene, on the screaming 다른 느낌, 다른 느낌 I got a feeling 내 주위는 초토화돼 every kind 내 주위는 초토화돼 every kind Wake, wing, wing 울리는 경보 bills on fire Put the name on everywhere 안 보는 게 더 어렵다고 말해 notorious Hey buddy, which way you wanna go? Got best for body tangos 여왕이 된 듯이 뜨겁고 표정은 dry. Step by step, we're moving to the next one. Taking over the sound, taking over the world. 그러지 마, but let's go. 바뀌는 너의 표정, 아마 네 눈은 너. 그는 선을 넘어, you believe me and I. 부셔버려 front door, 아무 때나 엉터리로 만들어버리고 청소. 쓸려나가는 industry, my team will make you tiny. We spinning and spinning on what? No more location, we're sliding. Who's gonna make it stop, boy, try me. From the bottom to the top, drip lightning. How about the ride, 착하는 것만은 알리. 똥 모르니까 자꾸 완리 now, winning is my only finale. 내 따르게 달리, 노릇실이 이상한 나라로 보내버리고 나 don't finale. Nobody did it like we do before. We'll keep you coming back to ask for more. They wanna know.
Love the switch up.
Love this.
Running up the game for sure.
Oh yeah.
On the screen, on the scene, all the screaming. 다른 느낌, 다른 느낌, I got a feeling. 내 주위는 셔터하대 every game. 내 주위는 셔터하대 every game.
Okay, now I'm just saying that right there is scary. You see a big ass twister like that coming your way, I would not just be standing there. As someone who's gone through some hurricanes this year, those alone are terrifying, okay? Just saying. I love the sound for this though. I feel like this one was one where they were like, we want to show how just insane our flow is. It had a bit of a cipher feel to it, except for we had like some chorus type parts more closer towards the end, which the melodies for those really loved.
Yeah.
No. But Bad Villain's one to look out for. That's for damn sure. Now we have Dreamcatcher's BOCA dance video K zombie version. This should be interesting. Dreamcatcher, they know how to do the spooky. Oh, that's why it's K zombie. Because we're doing traditional clothing. Okay. I love that part. Oh, I see the zombies coming out.
They must be like fighting the zombies.
I don't know, the thumbnail looked like they were zombies.
Oh, here we are.
Wow.
They lost the battle.
They lost the battle. The makeup looks great, though. Ooh. Wow. I loved that. I love how we had a storyline. Like, you know, they were fine and they was fighting the zombies, and then the zombies was like, y'all hella outnumbered, and took them down, and then they changed. I liked having that progression throughout. It kept the video fun.
Yeah.
Not that it wasn't already fun, but still.
Right.
Oh my goodness, but that's a good one. That's a good one from them. Hey everyone, so this is our flip to a new day, new outfits for our girl group Halloween binge. As we talked about at the beginning of the video, we finally have purple kisses on my bike, which I love the thumbnail because they all have these like black wings. So love that. But obviously on my bike, I'm thinking motorcycle. So it'd be weird if it was like on my bike, black wings, we look hella badass, and then they bust out on some bicycles. Be an interesting twist.
That would throw me off.
Oh god. And we do not have subtitles yet. Goodness gracious, RBW, get on the ball. Ooh. Oh. Oh, I already love the haunting sound. Ooh. I love that they're going harder again. This too, like the toy box sound.
Yeah.
It's like badass and creepy all at the same time. I love that build up.
I really like the woman power message that's coming through too.
Oh yeah. I love the styling.
Me too. I like how all of their wings are different, but yet very, like, obviously the same color.
Yeah. Oh. I really love the rock sound in there too. I love the horns.
Me too. I really like these wedding dresses with the building burning behind them.
Yeah.
Like a burn the dress. They were wrong. Oh my god, I love them walking away with the horns too.
Yes. That was awesome.
these girls were wronged, and they were all like, you know what? We're all gonna get together. We're gonna all have a burn the dress party, and then we're all gonna get our bikes right away. And ain't nobody telling us where we can go on those bikes.
Hell yeah!
I'm right, girls. You get it.
And I think this still worked for our Halloween binge too, because like we had the horns and even like the wings. I think style wise it worked, and then that like creepy music box sound that was in there.
Yeah, I love the music box sound. That was cool.
Yeah, this is a great one. I'm so happy we were able to catch it and add it on. And we'll go ahead and hop back over to our regular video. This was a fun binge.
Yeah.
I feel like the girls really did it up in the spooky department.
Mm-hmm.
We had some really wicked makeup all around.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Oh yeah,
that was fun.
And you know, little bloody in one video.
Yeah,
we had some horror movie references in another one. So yeah, they did a great job. Props to the girls.
Yep.
But I guess we'll go ahead and wrap this one up for today. Hopefully you all enjoyed this as much as we did, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Stop.
Oh wow!
You don't have to make every song a hoe song,
yes,
sir.
Yes, he does. Oh my god!
That's a 5 out of 5 chili peppers. Good job. I need you to not be so toxic. It makes me look so bad.
Oh my god!
The little wetsuits are so cute. Wait a minute. That's a ladle. These guys are gonna have nightmares after this.
Right?
With a homie just running with safety. Oh my god.
I thought you was leaving. Are you saying you gonna be right back? Yes! Yes!
Oh god! Oh my god! Get it? Girl. Why
I don't
not?
blame you! Oh my god!
What is going on?
I don't know.
Chungstick is like, you guys don't talk about me enough. And it's
I'm
like, we will
sorry.
start!
No!
Oh my god!
Wow!
He's just right up in the camera. I need you to get up the face!
Oh my god! This was hilarious!
He's like, where's our manager?
But he didn't have to go that. He didn't have to go that high with his shirt.
This is the performance I wanted you to see like a year ago.
To get the juice, giving you
Quick play. Right there.
Stop! Stop!
See?
What?
See?
See? She's like, you heard me.
I love her. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Look at the cat's face!
Oh my god!